Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active 2 Round Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the control panel or quick panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the sun icon. You can tap on this icon to open the brightness menu, and here you can enable or disable the auto brightness. And if you want to set the brightness to a specific level and you want it to stay at that specific level, you need to disable the auto brightness, and then you can adjust the brightness by swiping on the slider. And once you're done, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. You can also do this through the settings. So if we open the menu by pressing the upper button, scroll through it, look for the settings icon. In settings, we tap on the display and then tap on brightness. And here we can adjust the brightness. And once you're done, of course, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.